ChatGPT's newest image feature is not another picture you download and forget. It turns a photo, an idea, or an inside joke into a sticker pack, then hands that pack to iMessage or WhatsApp. OpenAI's own 30-second demo shows a surprisingly complete loop. Here is what the launch proves, and what it still does not. To start, open images in ChatGPT and choose stickers. The demo shows a 3D pack made from a photo, a hand-drawn portrait pack, and another photo remix built around pets and reactions. The interface lets you describe the style, mix an emoji, generate a pack, and tap Add to Chat apps. That last step matters. This is not image generation with a new label. The output is packaged for the place people actually use stickers. OpenAI says the stickers have transparent backgrounds and can go to iMessage or WhatsApp. Launch coverage reports up to 9 stickers and 18 styles, including 3D, anime, and holographic. Those limits are not documented in the X announcement, so treat them as rollout details, not a permanent specification. WhatsApp also needs at least 3 stickers for export, which is a platform rule rather than a ChatGPT one. There is some independent evidence. 9to5Mac says it tested a simple create an iMessage sticker request, received a transparent asset, and saw it appear inside messages. That is useful confirmation, but it is still one published test, not a broad quality benchmark. What does the launch not prove? We do not yet have serious evidence for face consistency across a full pack, exact generation times, rights for commercial use, privacy behavior around personal photos, or dependable availability on web and desktop. OpenAI's own post points to the mobile flow and does not spell out plan, region, or usage limits. The verdict: this looks genuinely useful for family chats, pet reactions, group jokes, and small creator packs. It is much less convincing as a replacement for a designer when you need exact brand consistency or commercial rights. If the feature is on your account, go to Images, then Stickers, and test one personal photo plus one text-only idea. The speed of sharing is the real feature. The image model is only the engine. Subscribe to TechWealth Hub for source-grounded AI launch reviews.